Hey riders! Welcome back to Autobikes Creator, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. If you love motorcycles, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest bike news, reviews and deep dives into the world of motorcycles. Now, let's get into it. Today, we have something absolutely legendary to talk about: the 2025 Harley Davidson Xr750. That's right, Harley Davidson has brought back one of the most iconic flat-track racing machines of all time. This isn't just a throwback, it's a modern reimagining of a classic, packed with cutting-edge tech, raw power, and that unmistakable Harley attitude. So, what makes the new Xr750 special? Let's find out. The original Xr750, first introduced in 1970, dominated flat-track racing for decades. Riders like Evil Knievel made it famous, and its reputation as the king of the dirt was undeniable. Now, in 2025, Harley has revived this legend with a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern engineering. But how does it compare to the original? And what does it bring to the table for modern riders? Let's break it all down. The beating heart of the 2025 Xr750 is a brand new 750cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, engineered to deliver an exhilarating riding experience. Unlike the old air-cooled model, this new powertrain boasts increased horsepower, better torque distribution, and improved fuel efficiency. Harley Davidson didn't just slap a new engine into an old frame, they completely reworked the chassis for 2025. The new Xr750 features a lightweight trellis frame designed to offer superior rigidity without adding unnecessary weight. This results in sharp handling and improved stability, making it an absolute blast to ride on the dirt or the street. The suspension setup is built for performance, with high-end adjustable forks up front and a premium rear monoshock that ensures maximum traction and comfort. Whether you're tearing through dirt tracks or leaning hard into corners on asphalt, the Xr750 is designed to stay planted and give you full confidence in every maneuver. The bike also gets a state-of-the-art braking system, with dual-disc Brembo calipers up front and a single-disc rear brake, ensuring you get top-tier stopping power when you need it most. Harley's engineers have paid extra attention to weight distribution, making this one of the most agile Harley motorcycles ever built. One look at the 2025 Xr750, and you know it's something special. Harley Davidson has blended classic elements from the original with modern styling cues to create a visually stunning machine. The iconic orange and black livery makes a comeback, paying homage to the 1970s racing legend. The sleek, minimalist design focuses on functionality while keeping that unmistakable flat-track silhouette. Harley Davidson has packed the Xr750 with some of the latest tech to make it not just a performance beast, but also a smart, rider-friendly machine. Some standout features include: ride modes: choose between sport, track, and street modes to customize power delivery and throttle response. Traction control and ABS: advanced rider aids to keep you safe while pushing the limits. Quick shifter for seamless, clutchless upshifts that enhance the riding experience. Bluetooth connectivity integrated into the digital display, allowing navigation, music, and call alerts. Lightweight alloy wheels paired with high-performance tires to maximize grip and handling. Harley Davidson is offering the 2025 Xr750 in limited numbers, making it a highly sought-after machine. The starting price is expected to be around $15,000 to $18,000, and depending on optional packages and accessories. So, what do you think about the new Xr750? Is it the ultimate comeback for Harley's flat-track legacy? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Autobike's creator. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride. Ride safe and keep the throttle open.